Just like Far Cry 3, Far Cry 2 also has the issue of not running on modern devices. So in order to fix this, just follow these simple steps. Click on the Windows search bar and now type in System Configuration. Once you find it, you can click on it and now go into the boot option. From here, click on Advanced Options and now click on the Number of Processors option. From the drop-down menu, make sure to choose a value anywhere under 16. Then click on OK and apply your settings and restart your PC. Once you do this, the Far Cry 2 game will start running on your device. You can now start enjoying the Far Cry 2 game without any issues. And once you're done playing, in order to play other games, you will need to come back to these settings in order to turn it back to the default. And that is how easy it is to fix the error within Far Cry 2. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.